Did you know that seals can hold their breath for nearly 2 hours? That's longer than any of us can hold our breath underwater. Imagine watching an entire movie underwater without coming up for air. Incredible, right? Well, that's just a day at the beach for these amazing creatures. They're not just cute and cuddly, seals are also super swimmers. So, are you ready to dive deeper into the fascinating world of seals? Buckle up, because it's time to go on an underwater adventure. Let's go! Okay, so what exactly are seals? Are they just big slippery dogs that live in the ocean? Not quite, though that's a fun way to picture them. Seals are marine mammals, which means they're animals that live in the ocean, but, like us, they breathe air, give birth to live young, and nurse their babies with milk. They belong to a group of animals called pinnipeds, which is a fancy word derived from Latin, meaning fin-footed. Seals have a number of characteristic features that set them apart from your average Fido. They're round and chubby, which is not just cute but also a clever adaptation. Their thick layer of blubber or fat helps them stay warm in freezing ocean waters. They also have flippers instead of feet, perfect for gliding through the water. And don't forget those whiskers. Seals use these sensitive feelers to detect movement in the water, helping them find food. Speaking of food, seals are carnivores, which means they eat meat. Their diet mainly consists of fish, but they can also munch on squid, shellfish, and even penguins. Seals are also known for their unique way of getting around on land. Instead of walking, they sort of bounce along on their bellies. It may look a bit silly, but it gets the job done. They also have a special ability to hold their breath for a long time, some up to 2 hours, while they dive deep underwater in search of a tasty meal. And did you know seals are pretty social animals? They often gather in large groups, called colonies, where they lounge on the ice or beach, bask in the sun, and make quite a racket with their barking calls. So, seals are fascinating marine animals, not just big ocean dogs. They are well adapted to their aquatic life, and their unique features and behaviors make them one of the most interesting creatures in the animal kingdom. Now let's take a closer look at these amazing creatures. What do they look like? Well, seals are a testament to the wonders of nature's design. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes, but most are generally round, plump, and oh so adorable. Their bodies can range from a petite 4 feet, like the charming harbor seal, all the way up to a whopping 20 feet, like the colossal southern elephant seal. Their colors are as diverse as a painter's palette. Some seals are a muted gray, blending perfectly into the rocky shores they frequent. Others boast rich browns, while a few even dazzle us with spotted coats that look like they've been kissed by a snowflake. But it's not all about looks with seals, it's about survival too. They have a couple of unique features that equip them for their aquatic lifestyle. First up, their flippers. These are like the ultimate swimming fins, helping them glide through the water with the grace of a ballet dancer. But don't be fooled, these flippers are not just for show. They're powerful tools, allowing seals to reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour underwater. Then, there's the blubber. Now this isn't the kind of blubber you get from too many cookies. No, this is a thick layer of fat that's an essential part of a seal's wardrobe. It serves as a built-in wetsuit, keeping them warm in freezing temperatures. Plus it doubles up as an energy reserve during lean times. Lastly, let's not forget about those whiskers. Seals have sensitive whiskers that help them detect prey in murky waters. It's like having a built-in GPS system for finding dinner. So, seals are quite unique, aren't they? They're perfectly designed for life in the water. Did you know there are many different types of seals? It's not just one size fits all. In fact, the seal family is quite diverse, with each member sporting its own unique features and characteristics. Let's dive into the world of seals and meet some of these marine marvels. Let's start with harbor seals. These are often seen lounging on the shores of the North Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. They're known for their spotted coats, which can be gray, brown, or even a silvery white. And did you know, harbor seals are incredibly skilled swimmers, capable of diving up to 1,500 feet deep. Next up we have gray seals. These seals are larger than their harbor cousins and are found in both the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Gray seals have horse-like faces and their coats can vary from gray to brown with unique patterns of blotches. They are also known as horsehead seals due to their long snouts. And then, there are the leopard seals, named for their spotted coats. These seals are the heavyweights of the seal world and live in the icy waters of the Antarctic. Leopard seals are known for their large size, fierce nature, and impressive hunting skills. They are the top predators in their environment, second only to killer whales. We also have the elephant seals, which are the largest seals on the planet. Male elephant seals, also known as bulls, have a large nose, or proboscis, which gives them their name. They are found in the Pacific Ocean, particularly along the coasts of California and Baja California. Lastly, we have the Weddell seals, which are known for their ability to survive in the extreme Antarctic cold. These seals have a round face and a short snout, and they are excellent divers, able to stay underwater for over an hour. So next time you see a seal, see if you can figure out what type it is. Remember, each seal has its own unique features, from the harbor seal's spotted coat to the elephant seal's large nose. Happy seal spotting. Okay, now that we've learned so much about seals, it's time for a little quiz. Are you ready? First question, remember when we talked about what seals eat? So, what do you think is a seal's favorite snack? Is it A, fish, B, pizza, or C, ice cream? I know, pizza and ice cream sound tempting, but the correct answer is A, fish. Seals love to feast on a variety of fish and shellfish. Moving on to the second question, we discussed the different types of seals. Can you recall how many types of seals there are? Is it A, 10, B, 33, or C, 100? Give it a thought. And the answer is B, 33. Yes, there are 33 known species of seals around the world. Here comes our final question. It's about the lifespan of seals. How long do you think seals can live? Is it A, up to 10 years, B, up to 30 years, or C, up to 100 years? Take a moment. And the answer is B, up to 30 years. Some seals can live up to 30 years in the wild. Well done, everyone, you're now seal experts. Remember, there's always more to learn about these amazing creatures. Wow, we've learned so much about seals today, haven't we? Let's take a quick dive back through what we've discovered. Firstly, we uncovered what seals are. They're not just those cute whiskered faces you see at the zoo. No, they are marine mammals that spend most of their lives in the ocean. Seals are incredibly adapted to life in the water, but they can also come on land to rest, breed, and molt. We then explored the physical descriptions of seals. From their sleek bodies to their thick fur or blubber for warmth, seals are a marvel of nature. And let's not forget their flippers, which are perfect for swimming at high speeds and even walking on land. Moving on, we journeyed through the different types of seals. There are around 33 species of seals worldwide, each with unique features and adaptations. From the enormous elephant seals to the small and playful harbor seals, the variety is truly amazing. From there, we delved into the seal's diet and habitat. Seals are carnivorous, and their menu includes fish, squid, and sometimes even penguins. They live in a range of habitats, from the icy waters of the Antarctic to the warm beaches of California. We also touched on seals' social behavior and intelligence. Seals are known for their playful nature and complex social structures. They communicate using a variety of vocalizations and body movements. And did we mention they are pretty smart? They can learn and remember tasks, showing a level of intelligence comparable to dogs. Lastly, we discussed the lifespan of seals and the threats they face. Seals can live anywhere from 15 to 40 years, depending on the species. However, their lives are threatened by things like climate change, pollution, and hunting. So as you can see, seals are fascinating creatures with a lot to offer. We encourage you to continue learning about seals and other marine life, and remember, our actions can have a huge impact on their survival. Thanks for joining us on this seal adventure. Keep exploring, and we'll see you next time.